on forces and energy. But today we are going to talk about the effect of forces on objects. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to define the term force and also state at least 3 or 4 effects of forces on objects. In our previous lesson, we talked about energy, and we also discussed the various forms of energy that we have. Which of them helps us move? Yes. The kinetic energy. Good. The kinetic energy helps us move. For example, if I want to move my hand, it's the kinetic energy that will make me raise or move this hand, either to the left or to the right. If I want to dance, you see, the kinetic energy helps me to dance. What again? You run. Good. Let us look out for the key words for our lesson today. We have force. Force. What does it mean? The strength or energy exerted to bring about a push or a pull. The strength or energy exerted to bring about a push or a pull. Effect. Effect. A change which is a result of a push or a pull. A change which is a result of a push or a pull. For example, this chair is at a fixed position. If I need to make it move, I need to push it forward or pull it back. The process of pushing it forward and bringing it back, I'm exerting energy. And the kind of energy I have exerted to push it forward or backwards is force. Let's look at another experiment. Mr. Ahimfo is on a bicycle. He is not moving at the moment. But if I want him to move, I need to apply force. So I'm going to push or pull. The process of pushing him forward or backward, I have used a form of energy known as force. Now let's look at the effects of forces on objects. Let's look at this object. What is it? It's a cone, an ice cream cone. What will happen if I exert or put pressure on this cone? Will it change the shape or it will remain the same? Let's see. What happened to the cone? The shape of the cone has changed. So, force causes objects to change their shape. Let's look at another example. What do I have in my hand? A box. What shape is it? Cast your mind back to the 3D shape in mathematics. It's a cuboid. That's good. I'm going to exert force on this box. Will the shape remain the same or it will change? Let's see. What has happened to the cuboid? It has changed its shape. This is what I'm talking about. You can also apply force to stop an object from moving. Let's look at this. Good. Did you see what happened? I applied force to stop the ball from moving. So we have looked at some of the effects of forces on objects. You can experiment more at home. Children, what have we learned today? In a nutshell, we talked about forces. And what did we say they are? Good, you've tried. We said forces are the strength or the energy exerted on objects to cause a pull or a push. We also looked at some of the effects of forces on objects. We said forces cause the shape of an object to change. It also stops a moving object. We also said forces change the direction or the position of an object. Good! Hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Try and experiment more at home. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.